Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? Want to talk today about cryptocurrency and how it's the last place you should be putting your money right now. Okay. Cryptocurrency is extremely high risk. I want to say high reward, but is it really high reward? I mean, right now it's all risk, right? If you haven't been living under a rock, you've seen what's been going on with some of the biggest platforms in the world, all basically having no liquidity, meaning people go to take out their money and there's no money left because the people that run these big platforms have just taken the money and done what they want with it. That is, what everyone loves about it is that it's not government backed. There's no government interference. Yeah, how'd that work out for you? Yeah, not very good. Billions, tens of billions of dollars gone. I mean, it's pathetic. Anyway, what should you have in cryptocurrency? How much money should you have in cryptocurrency? You should have 0.5 to 1% of your net worth in cryptocurrency. That's it. If you have over 1%, you're overinvested. Okay? It is way too unstable. I have plenty of clients that have lost so much money in cryptocurrency. And now, thankfully, we've got them on the right path. Now we're investing into their futures and for their retirements the right way. But it's a get-rich-quick scheme. It's the whole thing, guys, leads back to the opposite of what this channel is founded on, which is long-term wealth, doing things the right way, crossing our T's, dotting our I's, and taking care of other people, helping other people. I mean, if you think about cryptocurrency, it's literally polar opposite of all of those things. Excuse me. But I just want to tell you, if you're in cryptocurrency, and right now you're definitely not going to want to sell because you probably lose your shirt, but stop putting money in. Okay, it's time to move that money into things that are stronger, that are better, that are going to be there in 30 years, going to be there in 10 years, might be there in 2 months. I mean, at this rate, we don't know what's going to be around cryptocurrency in a month or 2 months. So move your money to where it's safe. Where is it safe? It's not safe in Airbnbs. It's not safe in cryptocurrency. It's not safe in the stock market. Where is it safe? Section 8 real estate, it is. It's extremely safe because it's backed. It's real money. And it's not going anywhere. Guys, I got off the phone. I've told a couple of my clients about this. I got off the phone. I called every month, usually on the first or second Monday of every month, I call a bunch of housing authorities in markets that I am heavily invested and where my clients are heavily invested. And I have contacts there that I've dealt with for a long time, and I say, hey, give me a snapshot of what's going on. What do you guys need? Do you need 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, 6 bedrooms, multifamilies? What do you guys need right now? What's happening? What does the landscape look like? I do this once a month. One of the phone calls I had a few days ago, the woman, the caseworker on the other line, told me, she said, Rhett, right now there are 27,000 people waiting for Section 8 homes in this market. And I'm not going to tell you which market, that's for my clients only. But 27,000 people looking for units. How many units do you think were available? 83. 83 available units for 27,000 people looking. Wow. And I said, are your numbers have to be wrong? She said, no, I'm looking at them right here. The numbers are up 20% in the past 6 months. 20%. Unheard of. There's no way to stay with the supply because Section 8 is and the Housing Choice Voucher Program is 100% funded by the private sector. It's up to private investors to buy these homes and build these units and build them the right way and get them ready. And if the private sector's not doing that, they don't exist. So immediately, what do? I get on the phone with a bunch of my clients and I say, hey, we got to buy. And we can put people in these units in seconds. And that's what they did. And we have homes under contract that, and this is uncharted territory for me. We have homes that are under contract that Section 8 tenants are already lined up for. Think about that. So when we close on them, we're going to do the rehabs immediately. But before we even start the rehab, we're already going to start this process of the paper trail going to get the tenants in the units, which is just dramatically cutting down on the amount of time that we're having to spend with a vacant unit. So, guys, the time to get into Section 8 was 12 months ago. The time before that was 5 years ago. The next best time is right now. It's right now. The opportunity is right now. It's right now. Stop waiting. Stop hesitating. If you're ready to get started, let's do this. Okay? We'll see you next time.